Hi everyone, today I want to show you something very interesting when it comes to stealing competitor keywords from their blog article URL. I did some research and I noticed that there are all sorts of paid tools, right, when it comes to actually making this possible, but I'll show you a way that not only extracts them really fast and not only returns the long tail keyword to you, but also gives you search volume and difficulty. And also I'll show you a way to do it for competitors who have like 500 keywords in their blog website. If we go to ChatGPT and we simply say extract the main keyword from the following URL, return the full keyword that it's in the slug, and we give a link like this one, we hit enter, you already have the keyword, but we're talking about doing this for like all the blog articles your competitor has. So in this case, we would have to go to their sitemap URL, right? So for example, since we took this as an example, we will go to his sitemap. Keep in mind the sitemap is the website mainly, and you got then /post-sitemap.xml. All you have to do is add this part to get the sitemap. Pretty sure you'll find most of your competitors having it available. So now the problem is if you go and do this and you want to do this at once. So if we just copy this and give this to ChatGPT and say, do this for all the remaining URLs in the list below. Copy, paste, hit enter. So it reaches number 42. Now it's thinking. You will have to wait some time. It might just stop there or add a few more before stopping. Let's just see. As you can see, it just stopped. We can retry and say, please continue with the rest. It will try and continue and then continue again. So it stops again, and as you can see, this is a big problem because first of all, you cannot keep track of all the keywords. The numbers are wrong, like here 42, 43, then it goes to 99, then it starts from scratch, and that's limit number one. Limit number two is the one that I'm about to show you right now. Give me monthly search volume from each keyword. And here is the limit number two. It just tells you to go to Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, SEMrush, or other SEO keyword research tools, which it kind of makes everything way more complicated than what it is, right? But then what I did with PromptMate, I was able to do this in seconds actually, and also able to extract not only search volume, but even keyword difficulty, right? So if we go to this template that I prepared, first of all, I'm able to get all the keyword URLs at once. So the way I do it is I go to the sitemap URL and select everything, right? And then copy, create a CSV file on Google Sheets, title it competitor blog article URL, and just paste everything. So remove this one, you don't need it. Also remove these two columns, we don't need those neither. And then we have only this, and we go ahead and we download it as a CSV, right? So now, thanks to PromptMate's feature, which allows bulk processing, what you can do is switch to CSV input, browser, get the file that we just downloaded, and click save and add prompts. And we have two prompts mainly. So now the first prompt is the one that I actually just use on ChatGPT. Nothing different, except here we use the input fields, right? Which is still the blog article URL. We click save and test, and we get the SEO keyword. Now the second prompt, which is the last prompt of this workflow, of this template, right? It uses the Google Ads search volume extender, but now as an input here, we give the prompt result, which is the keyword extracted, right? We click save and test.extender, in this case update and test.extender, and then we click save and test. The prompt is very simple. It says return the search volume of keyword below as well as the level of difficulty. Follow the format below, monthly search volume difficulty. Very simple. Now that we know this works, look what we can do. We can do run bulk, and it will just extract the keyword for all the URLs in our CSV list and also give you search volume and difficulty for every keyword. So we click run bulk. As you can see, all the keywords have now monthly search volume and difficulty, right? And obviously for this blog that I'm using, it's always targeting low difficulty keywords, right? You have them all here. Now what you can do is you can download this as a CSV file or as a Google spreadsheet. I prefer Google spreadsheet. Then you click open, and as you can see, you have all the actual keywords, the monthly search volume, the difficulty, everything you need. For illustration purposes, I use the blog, which doesn't have more than 450 articles, right? But to go back to this one, you can also do it for competitors which have over 450 URLs, right? As I said before, all you do is you select everything, copy, go back to the CSV file, right? Let's just remove everything here, then copy paste. Always remove these two, right? Also remove these two. Then file, download. Go back to PromptMate and import the CSV, right? So now, as you can see, the CSV has 458 rows. And this is basically ready to go. Again, all you have to do is click Run Bulk, which I'm not going to do right now. All you have to do now is just generate articles for this, which again, you can do with PromptMate, thanks to our templates about SEO-friendly blog article generation. So I'll add the link to this template that I created in the description below this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.